Hey, my dear friends. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. The Descendants Zombies Worlds Collide Tour is on fire right now. So today we're bringing you the ultimate Would You Rather challenge. 30 questions with 8 seconds to think. Ready or not, here we go. First one, would you rather wait and watch the whole tour at home or buy a ticket directly to the live stage? Drop your answer below. Up next, would you rather do a Zombies dance cover or sing along to the Descendants song?
All you got to do is give an inch, and we gon' take it to. Am I crazy? Maybe.
Eye test. Can you recognize which is the real Descendants/Zombies logo? A is the correct one. Keep it up. Would you rather listen to Freya Skye and Malachi Barton sing The Place to Be or listen to them singing Someday?
Welcome to the night side, night side. The movie taking side by side, out in the broad daylight.
I couldn't decide. Moving on. Would you rather have Joshua Colley as your bodyguard or prefer McConnon Knife as your guardian? To be honest, I would go with both. Which one is Freya Skye's real eye? Correctamundo, you're incredible. Can you guess the name of it through the sound? Bam! That's Worlds Collide. Would you rather go to the cinema with Dara Renee or have dinner with Malia Baker? Don't forget to drop your comment below, yeah? Memory test time. Remember the spots of all the artists. Where's Kylie Cantrall at? Bullseye! You found it! Be honest this time. Would you rather never watch any Descendants/Zombies songs and movies or like the video and subscribe to Quiz Slice? Don't forget to give us y'all's ideas about the tour below the comment. How do you rate this live stage version of it? Make up your own mind. Moving on to a dance question. Would you rather to have Kylie Cantrall as your dance tutor or cover the dance from Don't Mess With Us?
Show you what real true power is.
Would you rather be on the Descendant team or prefer the Zombies side more? Don't you want to be both? Here comes the eye test. Spot Dara Renee in this picture. Sharp eye! There she is. Would you rather erase Emma Dewitt entirely from the tour or ignore Dara Renee on the street? Sometimes you gotta make a tough decision. Which duo would you prefer more? Dara Renee and Joshua Colley, or Freya Skye and Malachi Barton? I wouldn't say one is better than another. Stay concentrated and find the odd one out. Bing! This is the one. Would you rather date Malia Baker or your type is Freya Skye? Would you rather kiss Mikanan Knife or go out with Joshua Colley? They seem real cool. Spot the 3 differences between these 2 images. There it is. Did you find it? Would you rather hang out with the boy band or the girl team of Disney? Or we can play with both. Would you rather watch Legends in the Making in the film or Legends in the Making tour version? Would you go to the Descendants/Zombies tour if you got a chance? Comment below so you can even find your comrade to go with. Let's keep going. Would you rather have Kylie Cantrall singing in loop or repeat Dara Renee over and over again?
Oh, if I could be a boy, I never thought of myself.
Would you rather listen to Malachi Barton and Freya Skye's Someday or sing along with Meg and Milo?
Sounds like a fantasy. What could go so wrong with the girl? What could be so wrong with the girl and his...
Both are so gorgeous. What do you think about this huge Descendants/Zombies tour? Would you rather take a picture with just Malachi Barton or the whole artists? I mean, the more the merrier, right? Here comes another one. Would you rather have Kylie Cantrall and Malia Baker as a dynamic duo, or Malachi Barton, Joshua Colley, and Mikanan Knife as your trio? Would you rather choose the outfit style from Set It Off or from Good to Be Bad? Would you rather choose Joshua Colley to be your boyfriend or prefer Malachi Barton more? Oh man, you did awesome. Thanks for playing with us. If you had tons of fun, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more crazy quizzes upcoming. See you next time. Quiz Slice out.